Good morning, everyone. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I'm no longer missing in action. And let's see, what have I got done? Well, I got one layout on my board right now. I think I had these up here the other day, the last time I filmed. I've added some cards up here that I've got from some of my subscribers, and I think the other stuff was up there. I may have added some things in here, but probably not much. I am unloading the guest room, so I've got these trays that I used to have actually stuff in for the kids, and I have this little tray, or actually it's a big tray with some stuff in it that's kind of dimensional, so I never know where to put it. I've kind of, I've set up now and video recorded that one day. And so I've just kind of been trying to work out a plan for the desk. And I did find this. I was looking all over for it. My container that I have with the stuff for die cutting. I also went and got one of these at Ikea. It's an Alex unit, or an Alex drawer unit. And I bought the one with the file on the bottom because I realized I was going to have trouble with that. And so this is all I need in a file cabinet as far as I know. I do have 5 extra things in here if I need something else. I added some things like I have transparencies. I have some shrinking ink stuff that I might get rid of. And then I have some 8.5 by 11 photo printer paper. What do I have in here? Oh, and here I have my Creative Memories and We Are Memory Keepers punch board. And I still have one drawer that I haven't decided what goes in there yet. I kind of rearranged this. I think I did that last time I was in here. I have been trying to get my things put away, and I've done that for a couple of days because I had embellishments everywhere. And I have to say, I'm going to go through my embellishments. I'm going to go through my letters and really take stuff out that I think I just won't use. Okay, I'm going to turn around here. I'm covering it up so it's not so hard to take. And I've kind of rearranged this a little bit more. I had a bunch of embellishments in these. So those are my little trays I love working out of. I put some of my binders in here just to give me a little more room on my shelves. These, I think I had these in here the other day. They are things that I've got in here by color, which I might try to put them into a color binder. And I think I've just rearranged up here just a little bit more. And let's see. Have I done anything else? Well, I have added like things over here that I had in the other room. And, oh, I have this piece of granite that my mother-in-law gave me when they redid their kitchen. And I used that when I embossed with the heating tool. And I'm thinking, I think the most I did was got the Alex unit, and me and the hubby put that together, and it just always takes us longer than anybody else. I'm sure. The guy in the video, he did it in 23 minutes. Okay, I stuck this back up here where it was before. But, when I move these, then I'm going to move these over there and stack them on top of each other. So they'll be 4 wide and 8 tall. I have added empty boxes in here. And I've stuck a few other things in here. But I have to say I've gotten rid of a bunch of stuff. And some stuff I just trashed. Some stuff's going to Goodwill. Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back. Okay, you see that we can almost see the bed now. I've just got a few things on here I still need to put away. I've got, I had a bunch of stuff underneath the bed. I've got that stuff put away. I've got some scraps over there that I still need to put away. Right there. A few things here I need to put away, and I've got some fabric that are left over from curtains. And I think that box is actually empty. I got a few other things over here that I just need to put away or give away or do something with it. I actually have a book there that I'm working on, an album. But it's going pretty good. I'm excited that I'm almost done. I emptied this whole area where I had stuff. I still have this one box here. This was something that was in the island at the time. And some of these might be empty boxes. Because sometimes if a box is nice, I will save it. I'm like oh, it's a nice box hoarder. And so I need to do something about that. But all in all, it's going pretty well. I'm pretty excited. My battery's gonna stop on me, so I'm just gonna let you go. But I should be back tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.